I'm back with another lock video. So if you're coming from my lock wash day, this is right after that. So I'm curling my locks with these 5/16 inch Flexi rods, and I'm using the Mielle Organics Babasu mousse. And I hope this will give it some extra curl. So I've curled my entire head of locks before with pipe cleaners, but the last time I did that, if you've seen any of my lock videos, I think my 6-month lock update video, I mentioned that I had a lot of loose hairs and just loose strands going down the length of my locks. So when I did it with the pipe cleaners, those hairs got tangled on my locks and it wasn't fun. The curls were cute, but taking them out wasn't fun. So I tried these very small Flexi rods, and I'm using the mousse just for some extra hold and texture and body. So whenever I wash my hair in the more recent months, I like to curl it afterwards. So that's what I'm doing here. And spoiler alert, okay, I won't spoil anything. So I'm just rolling it just like you would loose natural hair. And so this lock is shorter, so I just waited until I rolled it up some. And so wrapping the locks around the end and then just twisting it as I go up, and then secure it at the root. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. But yeah, I just wanted to save myself the headache of trying to take those pipe cleaners down, because it hurt and it was pulling my hair and my locks. But as you can see, it's a pretty simple and easy method. I liked this mousse as a product, and I typically don't like to use too many products after I've washed my hair because it's clean and I don't want it to get dirty again. So this was the only product that I used after moisturizing it. And for some reason, when I was curling my hair today, this was more difficult than any other time when I curled my hair. Like, pipe cleaners are so much easier in my opinion. So as I got to the front, I started running out of the smaller Flexi rods. So I have these red ones. I don't know what size they are. I will put them on the screen, or put the size on the screen. So I use those instead. And I thought that this would be super easy, because when I had 2-strand twists, I curled my 2-strand twists like all the time. But then I had to remember, 2-strand twists are not locks. Like, they're not as thick and as full, because now my locks got some weight to them, baby. But I'm just using the same method, just using the larger Flexi rods because I ran out of the smaller ones. And hallelujah, praise Jesus, I found me a small one. I think I found a couple of them. I guess they had fallen into the sink and I had stuff covering them up, so I just went ahead and used those to finish up my hair. By this point, I was tired, I was over it, I was ready to be done, because curling your hair is a legit process. Legit. And another thing I noticed, all that space left on the end of the Flexi rod. I think next time I do it, and if I do curl my head again with the Flexi rods, I may double up and put another set of locks on the other side, because I feel like it's just like wasted space. I wish they had them shorter. It's like, yeah, look at that. Look at all that space on the end. I could put some more curls up there. For real. All right, this is my hair all curled up. Looking good. All the locks are wrapped around the Flexi rods. So now I'm just going to put on my large bonnet. As I'm recording this, I can't remember the name of the company where I got it from, but I'll be sure to put it on the screen for you all and put a link down below in the description box. Now got all those things up under there. I can go to bed. These were not fun to sleep in, but there we are. Anyway, good night. See y'all in the next clip, honey. All right, this is the next morning. You see, I left out a lock. I'm a knucklehead. I don't even know what to do at this point, but it is what it is. So to take my locks down, all I did was lift up the Flexi rod and then just pull the locks off of the Flexi rod. If I turn to the camera, you'll see it. Okay, here we go. There we go. Opening it up, twisting down from the root because it was you know, tied up there. Trying to see how wet it is because I feel like my hair was still damp when I took it down. But yeah, it's just sliding the flexi rod right on out. So that was the method I used to take them down instead of trying to unwrap them. So that way the curls could sit and set a little bit better. So as I was taking more down, I noticed that my hair still felt wet. And you can see my face is upset. Oh, it's still damp. So got my handy dandy hand dryer and dried them while the flexi rods were still on my locks. I was upset about that a little bit, but I had to do what I had to do. When I finished late last night, I was tired and I didn't sit under the dryer. And as you can see, the ones in the back just kind of, they didn't give what they were supposed to have gave. But you'll see the end results and y'all let me know what you think. So here we are at the end once I got them all down. I think they're looking good. I do have some straight pieces, but I didn't separate them because I wanted to dry them a little bit more. So once the flexi rods were out, I just let my hair dry, and then that's when I started separating the curls and fluffing my hair out and taking the locks apart from their clumps. So these are the final results. I got a little bit of a curl, a wave, if you will. I got the body that I want. That's one thing I like about washing my hair and not retwisting. It's the body and the fullness. Will I use flexi rods again? Probably not, or I'll just have to use smaller sections. I want to go back to pipe cleaners, but I need to get my locks together. But I feel like this came out really, really cute. I think I look really, really good. I liked it. I rocked it. It did what it was supposed to do. But that's it, y'all. And I did use edge control because, again, I just washed my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you go. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.